Welcome back friends, and I'm here today to talk about termites. Many dreams have been turned to dust by these tiny white ants that invade your woodwork like killer armies. You may think I am exaggerating, but I have seen the damage that these tiny creatures can do. I am talking about termites, yani dimak. It is better that I inform you, in fact warn you about what these termites are capable of. Did you know that termites are the most destructive insects in the world, with properties worth crores and crores of rupees being destroyed each year by them? This is how termites have destroyed woodwork around the world. A small piece of 19 mm ply within a few days was eaten away by the termite, and this is all that is now left. So how do you deal with a tiny enemy and protect your furniture for years? First, we must understand what termites truly are. They look like white ants, but they are not ants. They eat anything that they latch onto, but their favorite food is of course wood. Termites do not live in wood, but they live inside the ground and come from the soil, and they love moisture. So here is my take on how you can protect your woodwork from termites in these 4 simple steps. My first tip to you: ensure your construction area is free of termites. As I mentioned, termites comes from the soil and not from the wood. So we must take care that first, before the construction begins, soil must be treated for termites. Another layer of precaution must be given before flooring is done. Again, another layer of termite treatment is required at this stage. Once the site is completed, regular insect infestation treatment must be done. Take care of any leaks that develop immediately. Leaks give rise to dampness and excessive humidity, and is one of the single largest reason for termite infestation. My second tip: buy termite treated plywood only from reputed sources where ply has been treated for termite infestation. This is done at the stage of manufacturing by adding an anti-termite agent into the glue. Most branded and reliable plywood manufacturers do this. My third tip to you: don't purchase your plywood and boards from multiple vendors and multiple brands. Stick to a single supplier who is reputed and can easily be traced. Trust me, this alone will save you a lot of headaches. Last but not the least, my fourth tip: ensure that your warranty or guarantee covers termite infestation. Lot of plywood manufacturers claim 20, 50, 100 lifetime guarantee or warranty. Read their terms and conditions and see if it truly covers termites or not. This may seem a lot to you, but let me give you a secret. If you are going for good quality plywood or boards, the only problem you're going to face is a termite attack later on. The unorganized sector does not give you any warranties or guarantees. Take these steps to ensure that your woodwork is protected for years to come. I hope my video will help you keep your woodwork and furniture safe and away from termite infestation. If you have a specific query related to this, reach out to us at the address mentioned in the description, and I will definitely help you out. Also, if you have not already done so, then download my free ebook on how to buy the right plywood. Link to download is also given in the description below. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more episodes of Smart Plywood Buying Guide. And we will be coming out with more and more interesting information and tips for you. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to Duro TV.